This newsreel was created in late October 1956, during that brief period of time between the Hungarian Revolution and the Soviets coming in and crushing it.
Scenes on the Austro-Hungarian border measure the scope of Hungary's anti-red revolt. West Hungary is rebel-controlled. From the uniforms of border guards, from the flags, the red star has been ripped. The hated symbol of communism is effaced wherever found. As sporadic fighting continues, the red regime offers virtual self-rule, and Russian forces begin withdrawals. Shipments of plasma are rushed across the frontier, where once the Iron Curtain barred all friendly contact. Casualties are believed to number thousands after days of fighting in which patriots with small arms battle Russian tanks and troops. From the United States, more plasma and medical supplies are being airlifted. The human need is clear, but the political outcome hangs in the balance after a revolt that began with student demonstrations and spread across the country like wildfire. At the United Nations, 5,000 denounced the massacre of Hungary's rebels, a grim reminder of the cost of the most telling blow ever struck at Russia's satellite empire.